you!
Thank you, happy birthday! Matakanda ako. Ikaw, hindi ba kumapayat? Bye!
Hi, Kuya Yon! Happy birthday! Kuya, happy birthday! Di ba birthday mo? Ba? Happy birthday! Hi, Kuya Yon! Baboy! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Kuya Yon! Happy birthday, Kuya Yon!
Hi Yon! Happy birthday! More blessings to come! Hi ka nakikita yan! Hi! Happy birthday!
Apply kisses ka na.
Love you!
Wala ako, hi Yuan! Musta ka na? Happy birthday! God bless you! Sana lagi kang mag-ingat dyan ha. Lagi kang mag-pray. Huwag pababayaan ang sarili mo. Kasi sa atin lang siya mo. Nagpapaganda para sa'yo.
Happy birthday, Tito! Kamu, ingat! Kamu, mabaho-baho na si Tito. Baho-baho na! Baho-baho! Ang plap-plap mo daw. Plap-plap.
Yay! Happy birthday!
Uwi ka na na. Kamusta ka na? Happy birthday! Happy birthday, Kuya Yon! Ingat ka dyan. Miss ka na namin. Happy birthday ulit! Bye-bye!
Happy birthday, Kuya Yon! Mama, chup-chup!
Ayon! Happy birthday! Birthday ko rin ngayon. Salubong ko niya. Loko sa masaming BM mo. Na. Sige, bye-bye. Happy birthday ulit.
Hello, Babs! Kamusta na ka, Babs? Namimiss ko ka, Babs? Ka, Babs, ha? Yung nakakarga ka na ka, Babs, ha? Nandiyan kikrit mo, kaya mo kagikrit, ha, Babs? Kamusta na ka? Na, wala mo yung babing birthday mo, ha? Happy birthday, Babs! Padalan mo kong chocolate, Babs, ha? Pang manyaman. Ang pinakabatang, Babs, na. Baka to, hindi kahit-kahita na naman kini, Babs. Namimiss mo kami, Babs? Na, Babs?
Happy birthday! Good morning, greetings from just want to say good luck and pursue your dreams kasi nandyan ka na. Okay, just continue believing in yourself. We miss you. And wag mo kami masyadong mag-miss kasi we'll keep on touch. Okay, so good luck sa iyo dyan, God bless. And see you soon. Happy birthday ulit. Bye.
Hi Yon, I'm Mr. Exclamado. Pinilit lang ako ng ex-girlfriend mo na magsalita dito. Joke lang. Anyways, happy birthday. As far as I know, March 6 na tayong birthday. I'd rather say advance happy birthday. Okay? Of course, enjoy your special day and always pray and ingat. Alam ko malayo ka. And lagi ka nasa state ng pagka-boring yata sa mga posts ko sa FB. Lagi ko nababasa yun. And sana magkaayos na kayo ni Elaine. Okay? Yan yung wish ko. Alam ko, love na love ka talaga ng girl na to. Again, happy birthday and wish you all the best.
Hi, Yon! Happy birthday! Hope you're doing fine. Sana di ba bumalik ka na dito? Kasi masyado ka na yata ang nag-miss namin. Tsaka alam mo na. O sige, basta happy birthday. Wish you all the good luck and God bless.
Parang yun! Happy birthday nga pala. Long time no look. Sana makapasyal ka ulit. Saka, congrats nga pala dun sa panganay nyo. Hindi, joke lang. Happy birthday. Long live.
Hi Yon, happy birthday.
Happy birthday yun, yung chocolate ko, kumakalimutan na. Kailan ka uwi? Sana bumalik ka na ulit. Paalam. Happy birthday.
Yon. Hello, gusto ka dyan? Happy birthday sa'yo. Sana maging masaya ako sa birthday mo. Tsaka, yun. Be happy always. Nandito lang kami, itong manong problema mo. Tsaka si Charisse. Siyempre. Happy birthday na lang, ingat lagi dyan. See you soon.
Happy 23rd birthday yun.
Miss ka na isa, uwi na.
Kape lang kayo magpakasal siya. Muna kayo bago kami ne. Napasalubong ko. Happy birthday!
Okay, siguro ma-appreciate ko na yung effort niya siya. Kasi naman, from here sa McDo, pinuntahan niya pa ako para gawan ka daw ng 10 dollar na ganyan. So, happy birthday in advance.
hopefully, sana, dumating yung time na makauwi ka dito sa Pilipinas and we meet again and do some sharing bago. And you know that, and basta happy birthday. Thank you.
Ayun, una sa lahat, gusto kitang mabatiin ng maligayang kaarawan. Sana lagi kang masaya, nasan ka man. Sana ay lagi kang pagpalain ng Diyos. At sana naging espesyal ang araw na ito para sa'yo. In fairness, namimiss ka na namin. Happy birthday to you. You belong to the zoo. Ay, farm pala kasi baboy ka.
Hello yun. Happy birthday. Birthday mo pala. Kailan pa yan? Mag-ingat ka dyan palagi ha. Yung papel namin, ayusin mo na. Sasama kami dyan. Happy birthday.
Alam mo men, masama yung loob sa'yo men. Sabi ko 100, bibigay mo 50. Kapadalong pa kay Cha. Kawawa naman kami tol. Ang pinag-usapan namin, dalawang restaurant. Ganito kasi yan, dalawang restaurant yung pupuntahan ng pera mo. Yung unang restaurant, is either Dampa, Victor's, o kaya Ningnangan. Yung pangalawa, undecided pa. Kung bibigay mo kay Cha yung 100, baka yung sa restaurant di na namin mapuntahan. Kawawa naman kami, kaya hindi ko masabing happy birthday mo eh. Hindi ko masabing happy. Yung birthday na lang, pre-birthday. Di ba ang galing magkasama kami? Kanina magkaiwalay kami. Di meron,
Parang yung ano lang yan, yung pera. Lahat magkasama mong bibigay. Kasi 50 lang yung nabibigay, kalahati lang eh. Lahat buo.
100 kasi yun eh. Sa Western Union kasi $13 lang naman yung padala. So, padala mo yung 100, balik ko sa yung 13.
Huwag kay Cha. Sa amin dalawa, kaya kay DC. Madaming pang abono naman sa DC eh.
Oo, yun. Sigurado yun, hindi makukurakot.
Happy birthday. Hindi pala happy. Birthday.
Birthday.
Birthday yun.
Basta yan. Hanala ba ng kami McDo? Habang kumakain kami, wala na akong mautusan. Sabi niya, wala na yung kumukuha ng tubig ko. Nakatokwa.
Pero master, nakabuti naman pag-alis mo. Siya na kumukuha ngayon.
Siya na inutusan namin, kaya pinangganti ka namin, min.
Pinagganti ka namin.
Oh, alam mo naman.
Mahal.
Oh, mahal na mahal ka namin kahit malayo kami. Alam mo yun.
Oo.
Oo, ano.
Happy birthday na. Hayaan mo. Gaganti pa rin kami ha. Hanggat di magsawa si Cha sa'yo, panggaganti ka namin.
Oh, men, nasa iyo ang suporta namin, wala kay Cha. Tanda mo yan. Dati pa sinabi ko naman sa'yo eh. Kung hihiwalay mo siya, lugi naman siya sa'yo eh. Lugi ka naman sa kanya, kaya okay lang. Diba? Lugi siya. Parang ganito yan eh. Ito ka. Oh, wala siya. Again, ito ka. Rate mo nga.
Nandito si Cha.
Cha.
Nandito dito. Sa baba.
Baba. Tutukoy ka mo na.
Dito sa baba.
Ganyan, ganyan.
Si Cha. Yun.
Oo. Pag iniwan mo siya, mababawasan ka lang naman ganun, no? Kakunti lang, ganun lang. Ganun lang yung mababawas sa'yo, men. Kaya pag-isipan mo mabuti ang happy birthday mo.
Alam mo, may pangalan ako sa inyo eh. Lahat pangalan mo, Jack. Kasi Cha, Mina.
Jack and Mina, Jack and Mina. Jack and Mina, Jack and Mina.
Love team nyo, Jack and Mina.
Oh, pero bakit Jack and Mina?
Jackpot, tsaka Mina lang. Master, happy birthday. Muli na kami na. Mimingat ka palagi yan.
O, paano mo naman, hindi kami piyaka makaba, VIP kan. Kauli kami make ba, hindi kami piyaka makaba. Hindi ka masok.
May arting mag-video eh.
O, buri na ulit-ulit, buri na, liwa ka nung yay ka, ano, ring birthday mo, ano? Ano ko nila?
Malaki pa talent ka niya. Kaya wala kaming gana.
Anong sanang sigurado itang 100, ganado kami ngayon eh.
Oo, mga na mo na.
Para English yung sabi mo.
You know yun, happy birthday to you. And more blessings to come. Ano ba yung accent na English? Yung accent talaga.
Sa accent ka. Sa Filipino accent.
Is that okay to you? Okay, take care of yourself, okay? I will take care of myself too.
Ayan, narinig mo naman yun. So, paano gano'n na lang. Kapag if you were to give us maybe $100, matutuloy na yung pangarap namin. Mahirap mag-English eh, promise.
You know, it's hard to speak in English. Lalo na ganito kami. Wala talaga kami talent sa English.
Oh, wala naman kami sa US, di naman namin kailangan yung English.
Pero kung dadali mo kami doon, kaya na pag-practicean yan.
Oh, men. Pero sa birthday mo, wag ka nang gagawa ng cake, ha?
Mukhang tayo ng kalabaw.
Sige, men. So, hanggang sa muli. You have a great and happy birthday to you. Have a good one.
Happy birthday. Good one, ha?
Ingat lagi! God bless you! We love you!
Okay, God bless.
Yun. Ingat sa dyan palagi, tsaka miss ka na rin namin dito. God bless you. Tsaka,
Sama ko nung ako.
love you.
Happy birthday, Kuya Yo! Miss na kita! Always take care, God bless! We love you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
One, two.
I miss you. And my goodness. Birthday, Kuya Koy. Miss you. Love you. Happy birthday daw, Tito. Happy birthday, Tito. Happy birthday, Tito. Happy birthday, God. Happy birthday, Kuya. Love you. To you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday.
We miss you. Happy birthday. We love you. And ingat ka palagi dyan. Bye. Happy birthday.
Start ko. Happy birthday. Wish you all the best. Ingat ka dyan palagi. Always praying to God na sana lagi kayang ingatan and bigyan kanya ng healthy na katawan. Ayun nga, binigyan ka ng healthy katawan. You're getting bigger. Always pray kay God and always remember, no matter what, lagi kaming andito. Ayun, I love you and miss you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Make a wish start. Happy birthday.
My eyes are no good, blind without her. The way she moves, I never doubt her. When she talks, she somehow creeps into my dreams. She's a doll, a catch a winner. I'm in love and no beginner could ever grasp or understand just what she means. Baby, baby blue eyes, stay with me by my side till the morning through the night. Oh baby, stand here holding my sides. Close your baby blue eyes, every moment feels right. And I may feel like a fool, but I'm the only one dancing with you. She can't stand. I like to think I'm a better man for not letting her do what she's been known to do. She wears heels and she always falls, so let her think she's a know-it-all. But whatever she does wrong, it seems so right. My eyes don't believe her, but my heart swears by dancing with you. Can't get you out of my mind. I swear I've been there, I swear I've done that. I'll do whatever it takes just to see those baby blue eyes. Stay with me by my side till the morning, through the night. Can't get you out of my mind. Baby, stand here holding my sides. Close your baby blue eyes. Every moment feels right. And I may feel like a fool, but I'm the only one dancing with those baby blue eyes. Stay with me by my side till the morning, through the night. Can't get you out of my mind. Baby, stand here holding my sides while closing your eyes. Every moment feels right. My eyes are no good, blind without her. The way she moves, I never doubt her. When she talks, she somehow creeps into my